Now I'm adding the stockfish, and after that I added bomo, and I added onion and all the necessary ingredients I'm going to use to, you know, spice the meat. So guys, you can use any seasoning of your choice. So yes, as you can see what I'm using here. So guys, now after that I added water, and just in case I'm cooking this with pressure pot, just to make things easier and faster. So yeah, I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes. So yeah guys, after 10 minutes, and yeah, it's done. So I'm going to get all the meat out and keep the stock for later use. So guys, the next thing I did was to add the abacha into the lukewarm water, and I achieved that by adding hot water into the cold water I had already, and I added the abacha into the water, and I left it for as long as I'm ready to, you know, to use it. So by the time I was ready to use the abacha, it has become tender and softer. So what I did was to wash it and make sure I washed it properly, because if you don't wash it properly, you might get a little bit of sand inside it. So I had to take my time and wash it, you know, properly, and I will show you guys how it looks when I'm ready to use it. So guys, now what I'm doing here, I'm just cutting the onion. As you can see, the one I cut already, and this one I'm just cutting the rings because I'm going to need it later, you know, in this video. So now here I'm adding palm oil. So guys, here I dissolved the potash into the water, and after that I left it to cool down, and after that I'm just adding it bit by bit until I'm fully satisfied. You can see the magic here. So guys, after a while I feel like I needed a little bit of palm oil, which I added. So guys, here I'm adding dry prawn, blended prawn, and after that I added ginger and garlic, and after that I added aromat, yeah, after that I added the kanda that I cooked earlier, and I'm going to add the stockfish later. So guys, here I added onions, chopped onions, and after that I added 1 Maggi cube. So here is the bomo that I chopped in a smaller form, which I added, and this is abacha. So guys, I'm adding abacha right now. And now I'm adding Ugba. So guys, this is calabash nutmeg. The one I showed you. I have the blended one already, so which I added. So this is otazi, yeah. And after that, I'm adding the scotch bonnet. Yeah, after adding the scotch bonnet, I stirred. So now I added a little bit of salt. And I stirred. So guys, I'm going to test it to see if it needs anything. And I think it needed something, so I added 1 Maggi cube and a little bit of chicken stock. So now I'm adding the onion ring, just to give it that rich look. And I stirred. So I need to taste to see how it is. So guys, it's just perfect, but it needed a little bit of scotch bonnet. I wanted it slightly spicy, just small, so I had to cut some scotch bonnet, just one. Yeah. So after that, I need to give it a good stir. And here I added the stockfish finally, because I don't want it to break. So guys, after that, I wanted to heat it up just like 2 minutes, and it's just perfect. So guys, if you have ogiri, it's very good to add ogiri in this recipe, but if you don't have ogiri, that's okay, as long as you follow the steps I use in this recipe, because I made this recipe without adding one single bit of ogiri, and it came out really delicious and amazing. So, and I have another recipe, so I will try to link it, and that one I added ogiri, just in case if you want the one that I added ogiri in it. But this particular one, I didn't add one single ogiri, and it came out like amazing, like perfect, like classic, you know. So just for you to know. So guys, after 2 to 3 minutes, our abacha and ugba is ready. Abacha and Ugba, our delicacy, is done. Like, it's good. Guys, this is my husband's special delicacy on the Valentine's Day. Guys, he loved it. Like, he really loved it. He loved it. Guys, this tasted amazing. Like, I loved it too, but it was specially made for him on this day. So guys, after that, I needed to decorate it a little bit, so I added a little bit of spinach on top of it. So guys, this is just to give it that traditional look. And after that, I added onion rings to decorate it as well. And that's it. Like, that's our perfect Valentine's Ugba and the Abacha I made for my hobby. And guys, this tasted amazing. It was absolutely like delicious. Mouth watering, this is really good. So guys, if you watch this video at this stage, I want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. Tap on it as well to get you notified each time I upload any video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys. Bye.